This video is intended to demonstrate and facilitate the use of a Unified Brands product. It is not intended as a substitute for actual training and knowledge concerning the complete operation of the product. Accordingly, prior to actual use, any operator should be thoroughly familiar with the operator's manual and all instructions regarding the safe operation of the product.
This video covers general operations and cleaning of the Power Soak with the PS225 control panel. Please refer to the operations manual and your supervisor for any issue or question not covered here. Begin filling the wash tank with 115 degree Fahrenheit water. Please note, filling the wash tank with water above 126 degrees Fahrenheit will lock out the control panel and the Power Soak will not operate. Fill tanks to level lines and sensors built into the tank. Note the operation schematic attached to the back rail of the unit. Start the unit by pushing the green Start button. Agitation has started in the wash tank. Power Soak unit shown with Salvageur collector, available separately from Salvageur. Begin scrapping operations and place dirty wear in the wash tank. The Power Soak 225 control panel has the option of a load-unload cycle. The green light on the bottom of the control panel will flash on the floor, indicating the predetermined wash cycle is complete. The load-unload button is pushed once, and the green light will turn solid. While the Power Soak continues to run, the soiled wares are removed from the wash tank, rinsed, and then sanitized. When the wash tank has been unloaded, it can then be loaded with the next batch of soiled wares. Then push the load-unload button and the green light will go out, indicating the next batch wash cycle has begun. When a solid red light under the control panel illuminates, the sanitizer has expired, indicating it's time to drain and refill the sanitizer tank. Begin by removing the metal waveguide and then the AWI wave flow guide. Next, remove the rib sections followed by the flexible tank divider, the optional sheet pan rack, the wash tank liner, and place them in the rinse tank. If the tank wash components are not run through a dish machine, place them in the sanitizer tank after they have been rinsed. After rinsing the tank liberally, apply sanitizing solution to the tank, wiping all surfaces. The high-level and low-level sensors are to be cleaned with a green scrub pad to remove any grease buildup between every wash tank drain and fill. Install the wash tank liner in the bottom of the wash tank with the perforated section against the wash pump intake. Install the sheet pan rack if the Power Soak has one. If the Power Soak has a sheet pan rack, install the flexible tank divider that has holes and notches closest to the sheet pan rack. Notice the guide on the bottom of the panel. Next, begin to install the wash tank waveguide ribs. The rib sections, one large and one small, sit in the wash tank opposite each other. Begin adding the smaller rib section next to the flexible wash tank divider in the wash tank, with the smaller rib section being installed to the back of the wash tank with the hooks against the back wall of the wash tank. Next, install the flexible wash tank divider without holes and notches before adding the last two narrow rib sections. Continue installing the rib sections until you have the two narrowest rib sections left. Next, begin to install the wash tank waveguide ribs. Ensure the wave flow guides have been locked in place by the pins on the underside of the waveguide. Next, add the stainless steel waveguide to the front of the wash tank at the general washing area only, and not over the sheet pan rack section if the Power Soak has one.